Well, hi y'all, I have a fun and informative video for you today. I think you might enjoy this video and you might have a surprising takeaway. So if you're like me and you look in the mirror and you see that all this extra skin on the top of your eyes is now sitting on your bottom eyelid, it's taking away real estate from applying eyeshadow, and it's making you look less youthful overall and more tired. We're talking about hooded eyes, and I found a solution that I'm pretty happy with that doesn't cost a lot, doesn't require a lot, and works. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. We're about to get right into it.
So fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be and all the dudes are trying to score.
So if you enjoy content geared to the more mature woman, lifestyle tips that help you past a certain age, beauty tips that actually work for more mature skin, skincare that actually does what it says it's gonna do, this channel might be for you. Consider subscribing. So we're gonna get into what I found. So I have a lot of eyeshadow on today. I have a lot of sparkle. That is because I wanted to really test out this product. Now I did use it on one other day so I could see how long it would last and if other people would notice. It lasted all day and other people did not notice. I also wanted to see if it was comfortable, and it was. So I'm giving away all my thoughts before we even get into the video and the tutorial. But that's going to be where you have to watch to see if this is something that would be right for you. And here are my final thoughts. So this is the after look, and I'm going to show you the before look a few minutes into the video. So I have all this makeup on. You can see that you can actually see my lower lids, which when I take off this makeup, you're going to be able to see that normally you can't. I have some room between where my skin sits and where my lower eyelid is. I actually can put something right here where normally this skin is completely down on it. This side is also, but not as bad as this side. You can also see that the eyeshadow stayed in place, and I don't think that you can notice anything different about my eyes except that they're more open and youthful and bright compared to what they usually look like. So what I'm talking about today is eyelid tape. Now before you click off, if you've tried eyelid tape in the past, this is one of those things where time has brought us better products. So I picked the Eyelid brand. And the reason that I chose this is because it had small, medium, and large sizes in one pack and all of the tools that I needed. I didn't need to purchase any other products, and it was affordable, very inexpensive. I'll have the link in the description below in case you want to try it. I'm not trying to make you buy something. Most products and brands do that enough for all of us. If we have an insecurity, they play on it and they give us a product that we can buy and pay them for to fix. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to share my experience and something that I'm really excited about. So many of these things that have all these crazy claims, they don't really work or do what they say they're gonna do. Not really. This, I think, actually does. This kit comes in this little plastic case. It comes with 480 stickers, so that's 240 days of use. And it comes with 3 sizes. It comes with the little tweezers that help you get them off of the plastic, but I've gotten where I could do it with my fingers. And this little tool, I guess, is to help you get them off or help you press them down. I don't know, but all you need to get them on and all you need to get them off is a little bit of your favorite cleanser, eye makeup remover, and that's it. These are gentle on my eyelids, because that's another thing that's very important. I don't want anything that's going to pull or tug on my already fragile, sensitive eyelids. We are going to talk about how easy it is to put them on, and if this is something that you think that you might be able to work into your routine, and then we're going to hear my final thoughts. So let's go backwards in time, take off all this makeup, and show you the application process. But before I do that, we're going to zoom in. I want you to see if you can see the tape. Now I had it on all day yesterday at the dentist. Nobody seemed to notice, and I know the ladies at my dentist office, and when I closed my eyes, they would have probably asked me, what is that? And my husband never noticed, and they did not come off the entire day. They did not lift at all, and they worked. Okay, I'm going to go take this off, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Well, hi, we're going to get into the demonstration portion of this video. I'm going to show you how I apply them, and you can see if this is something you think you could work into your routine. Now, I am going to choose the medium size. We're going to get medium effects. So you can see how much my skin is just sitting right here on my eyelid. There is no visible skin on my lid all the way up until this point. This eye is pretty severe also, not quite as severe as this eye, but it's hooded. You can see where it's sitting. Okay, we're going to apply the strips now. So the important thing is to get this, the highest point of these strips at your crease, and that the two sides are angled down, because if you have them going this way or this way, you're going to see the strips. You also want to make sure that when you remove them from the backing, that you don't bend the corner. That's it. That's how fast, that's how easy. And now suddenly you can see lid space. And it gives my eye a brighter, more open, more youthful appearance with little, no effort. And you cannot really see this strip, can you? Even without makeup. And you can cover it really easily with makeup. So I'm going to go in with another medium. I could show you how I do the large one. On my lids, you can use the large, but you have to make sure not to get too close to the lash line or above the crease, or it's going to give you an artificial looking eye open. And if I use the small ones, it works too. It's easier to put on even than this, but it doesn't give me as good of an effect. Again, I'm going to take a medium one, take it off the plastic, and that's it. Push it in, and voila. You have a little bit of real estate on that eye, a little bit of real estate on this eye, and you can't see the strips. I mean, they virtually just sink in. That's it. That's it. So I can work with how high or how much of a lift I get by what size I use and the placement. If I place it more towards this edge, I can get a more pronounced opening, but then it's a little trickier to make sure that that corner doesn't go up too high. That's all. But this gives me a significant effect, I think, as you're going to see in my final footage. Okay, we're going to do another comparison. So this is with, without, with, and this is without. No doubt about it that this makes a difference. None. Okay, we're going to cut to my final thoughts. So what do you think? Did you think that that process was easy and simple enough? Do you think that this is something that you might be comfortable using? I think that if you are willing to take the time to put on eyelashes, that this is less time than that, and easier, because I still struggle with putting on false lashes. I'm just not that, my dexterity in my fingers are not that good. And I don't like fussing with them. I don't like anything, I don't have the patience for anything that takes too long. This is easy enough. I won't do it every day, but I could do it every day. It's that easy. If I'm going to put on eyeshadow anyway and mascara, it's nothing to just slip this on. So my thoughts are that this was a good purchase for me. I will use these. I will enjoy these. I feel like it gives me a better eye look. I feel like it smooths my lid down so that I could actually apply the glitter and the shimmers that I want without accentuating the wrinkles. The cost is definitely nice. So I think this product did what it said it was going to do, and it did it with ease, and it lasts, it doesn't pull up, and I don't think anybody notices that I have it on my eyes. So I feel good about it. For between $5 and $15, and this lasting months, I think it was a good purchase. What about you? Have you tried the newer ones? Did you try the old ones? Have you tried other brands that you like better? There is one that's kind of lacy that somebody had recommended to me. They said that it's easier to put eyeshadow on top of, so I'm curious about that one. However, I had no problems putting eyeshadow on top of these, none whatsoever. I'm extremely happy with this brand, these particular ones, and all of the sizes can work for me. I can get a wider look, I can get a broader look. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed doing it. I really enjoyed testing this out. I'm so glad that I did. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, thank you for spending some time with me. And I hope that you have a great rest of the day and a great rest of the week. See you in the next video. Bye.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining